Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Hope you all are well. I am your IT teacher and this is grade 3rd IT. So in today's session, let us discuss the topic CPU. Full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Okay, so in the last class we have completed parts of a computer. Okay, so today's topic is CPU. Full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Okay, so it is the brain of a computer that controls all parts of the computer. Okay, so we can say it is a brain of a computer. Okay, we can say it is a brain of a computer that controls all parts of the computer system. Okay, so it does all calculations and displays the result on the monitor. Allows stores a lot of information. It also stores a lot of information and stores lot of information. Next point, a CPU is made up of three main parts. A CPU is made up of three main parts. They are MU, CU and ALU. Okay, so MU is nothing but memory unit. MU stands for memory units. CU is control unit and ALU is arithmetic logical unit. Okay, arithmetic logical unit. Okay, turn your page. So this is page number 8. Okay, memory unit. MU stands for memory unit. This unit stores information or data according to our need. Okay, so it stores the data according to our need only. The information in the memory can be changed and taken out on the screen when needed. Okay, whenever we want the information, we can change and we can take out on the screen when needed. Okay, next, control unit. Okay, so this is the memory unit. Next, come to control unit. In the name itself, control unit works like a traffic policeman. Okay, so how control unit works? Control unit works like a traffic policeman. It controls and manages the working of all the parts of a computer. Okay, so it controls and manages the working of all the parts of a computer. So in the name itself, it controls and manages all parts of a computer. Arithmetic logical unit. So ALU, arithmetic logical unit. This unit performs all arithmetic calculations like it performs addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It also performs logical operations like finding the greater number or smaller number. Okay, so finding the greater number or smaller number. It also performs logic operations like finding the greater number or smaller number. Okay, so memory unit we have completed, control unit we have completed, arithmetic and logical unit also we have completed. So next, mouse. What I said, mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. It is connected to the CPU by a cable. Yes, it is connected to the CPU by a cable and it is a pointing device. A mouse usually has two buttons on it. Yes, a mouse usually has two buttons on it. It is used to point, select and move any object on the screen. Okay, so mouse usually has two buttons. Okay, so we can select and move any objects on the screen. When we move a mouse with our hand, a pointer on the screen moves in the same direction. Okay, so it also helps to draw pictures. Okay, with the help of mouse we can draw pictures. Nowadays most often the scroll mouse is in use. Okay, so nowadays most often the scroll mouse is in use. Scroll mouse, okay, has the wheels in the center of the two buttons. Okay, okay, so this is a picture of mouse. You can see here two buttons and middle one scroll is there. Yeah, okay, so this is a picture of mouse. Here two buttons are there, one, two, and in middle scroll is there. Just now I said nowadays we are using scroll mouse. Okay, so we have completed mouse topic also. Let us printer prints the information from a computer onto a paper. Okay, okay, so this is the picture of printer. A printer prints the information from a computer onto a paper. So the output printed on a paper is called hard copy. Okay, listen. Okay, So here some point it makes a computer powerful. Okay, speed, reliability, storage, versatility, accuracy, intelligence, multitasking. Okay, so speed. A computer works very fast and can do billions of jobs per second. Okay, yes, a computer works very fast and can do billions of jobs per second. Yeah, computer speed is very fast and can do billions of jobs per second. Reliability. Computers are quite reliable. They do storage. A computer can storage large amount of data which can be used anytime. Versatility. A computer is a multi-purpose machine that performs a variety of tasks and is used in almost all fields. Yes, computer we are using almost in everywhere we are using computer. Yes, from school to home, hospitals, airports, railway station, everywhere we are using computer. Accuracy. A computer gives accurate result all the time. So we'll get exact result. Okay, suppose we are giving addition 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Okay, so it's giving exact result at all the time. Most often the errors occur from our side. Okay, diligence. Okay, diligence. A computer can work for long hours without getting tired. Yes. So computer can work for long hours without getting tired. So computer can work for long hours, okay, like 12 hours, 18 hours, 24 hours without getting tired. Multitasking. A computer can do many tasks at the same time. Okay. So computer can do many tasks at the same time. So this is point at a glance. So here is the first point. Your first point is nothing but point at a glance. A computer is a machine. Yes, we already know a computer is a machine that works with data and instruction. Without data and instruction given by the user, computer will not work. Okay, so it works on IPO cycle. So in the previous class also I have explained it works on IPO cycle. Okay, a computer is a machine that works with the data and instruction given by the user. Okay, so it works on the IPO cycle. Next, second point, a keyboard is used to enter data and instructions into the computer. Okay, so without keyboard it unable to enter data and instruction into the computer. Keyboard is used to enter data and instruction into the computer. Third point, a CPU processes the data and also stores a large amount of data. Okay, a CPU processes the data and also stores a large amount of data. So CPU processes the data and also stores large amount of data. Full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit, and already I said it is a brain of a computer. Okay. Fourth point, a mouse is used to point, select and move any object on the computer screen. Okay, I have explained with the figure also. Mouse is used to point. We can select and move any object on the computer screen. Fifth point, a monitor displays all the work that we done on a computer and also shows the output. Okay, so monitor is just like a TV screen. Okay, so it displays all the work that we do on a computer and also shows as output. Last point, the output printed on a paper using printer is called hard copy. The output printed on paper using printer is called hard copy. Okay, so here is brain developer. Okay, here is a fill in the blanks. Okay, so here we have to write first blank, a computer works with dash and dash. Okay, so here they'll give hints: CPU, store, data, instruction, monitor, mouse, VDU. Okay, so a computer, see here, point at a glance we can get help. So you can take a help from point at a glance. See here, first point, computer is a machine that works with data and instruction given by the user. So computer works with dash and dash. So in dash and dash, data and instruction will come. Data and instruction. Second one, a computer can dash a large amount of information. So a computer can store large amount of information. Okay. Computer can store a large amount of information. A dash displays all the work that we do on a computer. Okay. So a monitor displays all the work that we do on a computer. So a monitor. A dash is used to point, select and move any object on the computer screen. Okay, here they'll give the hint. Okay, if you know the concept very well, without hint also you can write. So a dash is used to point, select and move. A mouse is used to point, select and move any object on the computer screen. I already said point at a glance will help you very much. So a mouse is used to point, select and move any object on the computer screen. Next, fifth one, a dash does all the calculation and displays the result on the monitor. Okay. Who work? A CPU processor the data and also stores a large amount of data. So a CPU does all the calculation and displays the result on the monitor. Okay. So here from the hint also you can see here. A CPU does all the calculation and displays the result on the monitor. Last dash. A monitor is also known as VDU. Full form of VDU is Visual Display Unit. Visual Display Unit. Okay, so full form of VDU is Visual Display Unit. Okay, so we'll end today's session with this. In the next class I will be doing the continuation. Take care of yourself. Bye. Allah Hafiz.